For this occasion, I want to share with you the addition rule of probability. We can break it down this topic into two main sets. The first one is the mutually exclusive. That is simple, just you have to add the two sets of probabilities. And the one you may struggle with is the non-mutually exclusive, adding addition. So let's put an example for this. The one I will give you is using deck cards. So how many cards there are there in a deck of cards? There are 52 cards. Just to exemplify this, we have 52 cards. So let's say that we want to have two sets, A and B, and for A we want to draw a card that is only a heart. A heart, let's put here hearts, hearts, and here only those which are kings, kings, only kings, only hearts, and so on. So how many cards of kings do we have? We have four king of hearts. And how many cards of hearts do we have? We have 13 cards of hearts. What is the probability where and also I forgot about this overlapping section where the two of them are the same. So we have king and we have hearts. So the king of hearts, how many king of hearts do we have? We have just one. Let's write this in probability expressions. That will be 1, no, 13 out of 52, and let's put it here, 4 divided by 52. In just a simple, in this simple expression, we have the probability of A or B. Probability, let's put it this to this other way. Let's write it this unconventional way. Probability of A united with, no, not this one, not united, plus the probability of B. And what about this deck of cards that are repeated in both sets? So if you count it here, we just add these two. We will have one card that is one. Do we have an addition? One card that is added in addition to this. It's double time. It's counted double time. That's what I'm trying to say. It's counted double time. So in that case, when you count one card twice, you have to subtract it A, the union of B. These two sets you have to subtract it to this sum, so that the card won't get repeated. In that case, we will have 4 out of 52 plus 13 over 52 minus 1 card over 52. And that will be, let's write this equation with another color, probability of A plus B, which are non-mutually exclusive. Non-mutually exclusive. So in this case, you find something here that these denominators are the same. So in that case, the rules of fractions tells us that when these denominators are the same, you can replace them in the same line as 52, and you just do a simple math, adding and subtracting. 4 plus 13 equals 15. Let's see, 4 plus 13 equals 15. 4 plus 30. No, sorry, I made a mistake because 3 plus 4 equals 17. 17 minus 1. That will be equal to 17 minus 1 equals to 16 over 52. This is the probability. The addition of these two sets, the probability of getting these two cards, these two sets, is 16 out of 50. 16 divided by 52 or 16 52. I don't, I don't know how to say this in fractions. If you can help me out, please do it. Do it. Write it in the comments or tell me, teacher, you are not a good communicator or you don't know this word. I will help you out. I will save your life. So if you find this video helpful, give us a like. Uh, Share this video with someone that may find this helpful. And I will see you next time.